Good morning, all of you. Good morning, beta. Are you ready? Are you ready for the math class or not? Okay, I know you all are ready with your math book. So let's start now. You all please take out your math magic book. You all please take out your math magic book and open page number 106. You know that previous class we have started a new chapter number 8, numbers from 21 to 50. This chapter already started previous class. So page number 104 and 105 completed. So today we will start from page number 106. Page number 106. Okay. Have you opened your book? And students, please, you all will mute your own microphone. Can you listen my voice? Okay, and the board clear? Can you see the board clearly? Please, you all mute your own microphone, beta. Board clear? Okay. Okay, beta. Then start now. Page number 106. Page number 106. Fill in the blanks. Numbers from 21 to 40. Numbers from, we learn numbers from 21 to 40. In this page we will learn numbers from 21 to 40. Okay. In your book, let's see. 2 tens and 1 1. The number is 21. It is done in your book. 2 tens and 1 1. The number is 21. And next is 2 tens and 2 ones. The number is 22. This is done in your book. No need to solve anything in the here. Now from the next we will solve 2 tens and 1 1 21. 2 tens and 1 1. The number is 21. 2 tens here, which is missing. If the tens is missing, you have to draw tens. If the ones is missing, you have to draw ones. And if the number is missing, you have to write the number. Okay. These two done. 2 tens and 2 ones. The number is 22. 2 tens and 2 ones. The number is 22. Now here 2 tens. How to draw the bundle of tens? In this manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a bundle of 10. And another bundle of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is another bundle of 10. This is 2 tens and 3 ones. 3 ones, but in ones room the matchstick, there is no matchstick has been drawn. So you have to draw 3 ones. So you all please follow me and solve in your book. Please follow me. 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. You have to draw 3 ones. You all please. 3 ones. That means 3 matchstick you have to draw in the ones room. 2 tens and 3 ones. The number is, what is the number? 23. Yes, very good. 2 tens and 3 ones. The number is 23. Okay. Now next. 2 tens and 4 ones. 2 tens, it is also 2 bundle of tens has been drawn, and the 4 ones also. Then the number is missing. 2 tens and 4 ones. What is the number? 2 tens and 4 ones. The number is, what is the number? 24. Yes, very good, beta, very good all of you. 2 tens and 4 ones, the number is 24. Antara, Angsdi, Podrija Kole, Aryan, Aritro, Gorai. Very good, beta. Now 2 tens and 4 ones, the number is 24. The next one. Okay. Now here 2 tens and 5 ones. It is also drawn in your book. No need to draw anything. 2 tens and 5 ones. What is the number? 2 tens and 5 ones. The number is 25. Very good. Very good, all of you. 2 tens and 5 ones. The number is 25. Arito Ganguly, Arito Sheth. Okay, Arushi. Very good. Arushi, you have to draw the stick. Which one is missing? Okay. In your book. When I will draw in your book in the 3 ones, you have to draw 3 matchstick in one's room. 2 tens and 3 ones in one's room. Arushi, you have to draw in one's room. Okay. How I have drawn here, in this manner you have to draw. Okay. Now 2 tens. 1. Okay, I will rub the board. Now 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 tens. 2 tens and 6 ones. But in the ones room, matchstick is missing. So you have to draw the matchstick. Yes, Angstdeep. Okay, good. There 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones you have to draw. 2 tens and 6 ones you all will draw in the ones room. 6 matchstick. 2 tens and 6 ones. The number is 26. Yes, very good. And the next one also. 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 tens. This is done in your book. But the 7 ones. But the ones room, no matchstick. You have to draw 7 matchstick here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You all please solve in your book. Draw 7 matchstick in one's room, in 7 ones. Yes, very good. Very good, beta. But in another one also you have to draw 8 ones. Arushi, 8 ones you have to draw. 2 tens and 7 ones. The number is 27. And 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 10 and another 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 tens and 8 ones. But in one's room, the matchstick is missing. You have to draw the matchstick in 8 ones. 8 matchstick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 tens and 8 ones. What is the number? Yes, Aryan. You have to draw the matchstick. Here. In 6 ones, draw 6 matchstick. In 7 ones, draw 7 matchstick. And the 8 ones, draw 8 matchstick. 2 tens and 8 ones. What is the number? The number is 28. 2 10 and 8 ones. The number is 28. Okay. Now rest 2 maths already done in your book. 2 tens and 9 ones. What is the number? 29. No need to draw and no need to write anything. It is solved in your book. And the next one is 2 tens and look here. 2 tens, 2 tens, 9 ones, then 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 2 tens and 9 ones, then 10 ones. 10 1 means 1 10. 10 1, 10 ones means 1 10. So this is also one bundle of 10. 1 10. 2 tens plus 1 10. 2 tens plus 1 10. What is the number? 3 tens. Very good. 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. Yes, Auditri. Very good. 2 tens plus 1 10. 3 tens. 2 tens plus 1 10 equal to 3 10. 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. 3 tens means 30. Okay. Now we will solve right side. Now we will solve right side. Okay. 2 tens plus 1 10 equal to 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. Now in the right side you can see 3 tens plus 1 1. What is the number? 3 tens plus 1 1, 31. 3 10 plus 1 1, 31. Right side beta Adrija. Now here in the tens room 3 bundle is missing. It is not drawn in here. Now the next one 3 tens 1 1. The number is 31. But in the tens room, the next one you can see, in the tens room, no bundle of 10. So you have to draw here 3 bundle of tens. How to draw the 3 bundle of 10? 3 tens and 2 ones. 2 ones is drawn. So you have to draw here 3 tens, 3 bundle of tens. How to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One bundle, another bundle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another bundle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is another bundle. So here 3 tens and 2 ones. What is the number? You all please draw in the blank portion. 3 tens, 3 bundle of tens. You all please draw. Okay, very good. 3 tens and 2 ones, the number 32. And next 3 tens, it is drawn, no need to draw the next math. And 3 ones, but in ones room no matchstick. In ones room you have to draw 3 matchstick. Please draw 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 3 ones, the number is 33. Very good. 3 tens and 3 ones, 33. Very good, beta. Next, here and again 3 tens and 4 ones. 3 tens, 4 ones. The number is here. No need to draw anything. Tens and ones both drawn in your book. Just 3 tens and 4 ones. You have to write the number. What is the number? 3 tens and 4 ones. The number is 34. The number is 34. Okay. Next. 3 tens and 5 ones. In the tens room, no matchstick. No bundle of matchstick and 5 ones. 3 tens and 5 ones. In ones room, 5 matchstick is already done. But the 3 tens, in the tens room, no matchstick. So you have to draw 3 bundle of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 tens. 3 tens and 5 ones. What is the number? Yes, very good, beta. 3 tens and 5 ones. The number is 35. You all please draw in the tens room 3 bundle of tens. 3 bundle of 10. Okay. Next, 3 tens. In the tens room, 3 bundle has been drawn here. In the next one, 3 tens and 6 ones. But in there is no matchstick in one's room. How many matchstick you have to draw here? How many matchstick in the one's room you have to draw? 6 matchstick. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 tens and 6 ones. The number is 36. Very good. Next, 3 tens and 7 ones. 3 tens and 7 ones. No need to draw anything. Tens and ones, It's not. 3 tens and 7 ones. What is the number? 37. Very good. Very good, Aradhya. 3 tens and 7 ones. The number is 37. And the next one. 3 tens. 3 tens but 8 ones. In the ones room, no matchstick. You have to draw here 8 matchstick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to draw 8 matchstick over here. 3 tens and 8 ones. The number is 38. 3 tens and 8 ones. The number is 38. Okay, you all please draw 8 matchstick in one's room. And the next one is 3 tens, 3 bundle of tens, draw the 9 ones. In the 9 ones, no matchstick. How many matchstick you have to draw in one's room? 3 tens and 9 ones. You have to draw 9 matchstick in one's room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 tens and 9 ones. What is the number? The number is 39. 3 tens and 9 ones. The number is 39. 3 tens and 9 ones. 39. And the next one is 9 ones, then 10 ones. Okay. 3 tens and now let's see this one. 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a 3 bundle of 10. They have this side 3 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4 after 9 ones, then 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. 10 one means 1, 10. 10 1 means 1, 10. 9 after 9 ones, then 10 ones. 10 1 means 1, 10. 10 1 means 1, 10. Then 3 tens plus 1, 10. Let's see, everyone please follow the board carefully. 3 tens plus 1, 10. 3 10 plus 1, 10. Then 4 tens. 3 tens plus 1, 10 equal to 4 tens. 4 10 means 40. 4 10 means 40. 3 tens plus 1 10 equal to 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. Okay. Today this much. Next class I will discuss rest of the part. Okay. Now I will take your attendance. Nobody will leave the class. Do you have any doubt, any queries? You can ask me. Okay. Do you have any doubt, any queries? Now I will take your attendance, beta. Who are present, write down P. Okay, very good, beta. Next class, I will discuss page number 107 and 108. You all will, and the next, after completion of this chapter, I will discuss about the project. I will give a project to you on tens and ones. Using the matchstick, you have to make this project. Okay, I will discuss later on. Now, Obhirup Datta present, absent. Avronil Choudhury present. Aditya Mondol present. Adrija Kole present. Ahona Ghosh present. Akriti Kundu present. Anirban Roy present. Next, Honorino Palit present. Angsdeep Choudhury present. Angshika Pathok present. Antara Shao present. Antarip Dalal present. Aradhya Nandi present. Aritro Ganguly present. Aritro Gorai present. Aritro Sheth present. Aritri Pamanik present. Aryan Sheikh present. Arunabh Das present. Arushi Sarkar present. Okay. I have taken your attendance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, beta. For today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye all of you.